Good morning everyone. Myself Kunal Prasad Mahale. Today I will present Cultural Center which was done in 5th sem. This image is of auditorium merging with the landscape and public sitting space. Our site is situated in Anandwali, Nasik. This is the site analysis. Our site is situated in Anandwali, Nasik. Our site is at the center of the developed and developing regions. In this image we could see it properly. Mainly our site is facing the river Godavari, which is the most important factor. So mainly the concept rises from here only of thinking about the developed region and also developing region. Now we come on the site plan. We have site of almost 26,000 square meter facing river Godavari. Concept merging from traditional vernacular architecture, which we can see in the Vadas from old Nasik and also the highscapes of the modern buildings in Nasik. Plan has been developed by taking the curves of the site in consideration. There are many curves in the site and also 20-meter left from river and public living space has been developed this there, creating natural and picturesque pathways which will fantasize anyone by overlooking the site as one goes to the parking. Main consideration was to have a view of river from every point of the site and which has been achieved. Total 8 blocks have been arranged in symmetry to the natural curves of the site. The blocks are museum block, auditorium, art gallery, open art gallery, cafeteria, parking space, and the cafeteria at the corner. This is the aerial view in which we could see the roof plan and also feel the concept of merging old Nasik with new Nasik. Means old Nasik structures like Vadas have also been present here, and new Nasik means bigger buildings type and modern buildings have been also present here. Now we look at the museum and the library block. This is the site plan in which we should clearly notify. It is clearly notify where the block is situated in the site. Coming on the plan is divided into three spaces: the office block, courtyard, and the working space of museum and the library space. The office space has been designed in sloping roof form, derived from vernacular architecture, which has central courtyard in it, and also has two big entrance lobby and two offices has two suites for the guests. Courtyard in the center divides both the blocks and also reunites and integrates them. While entering the museum, we have big veranda, which becomes a grand entrance to the visitors. Courtyard visually separates the staircase block and the toilet block. Big museum space having view of water through sliding windows and view of public realm space is really amazing. We have the library block at the upper level. Uh, Double height courtyard present at the center of the lobby space makes the visitors visually connected. Main concept of the of giving lobby space and working space separates has was to maintain privacy between the two different spaces. Library has the capacity to fit 100 people at a time and giving a new view of river Godavari through the windows and balconies. And now we look at the section of the office block in which we could clearly see the toilet with sunk passage, lobby, and courtyard with chafa tree. And the proper heights have been mentioned in the section. The first section is vert- horizontally, and the second section is skirted vertically. This is the section of museum, and the second one is section of auditorium. In section of museum, every height has been mentioned. The first structure is of office block, and the second is one is of museum block. The first one can be derived from the vernacular architecture. The second is one is of modern style architecture, and it is also cutted from the public realm space, 6 meter down from the building line towards the river bed. In the second section, big verandas entering big verandas at the entrance and the exit overruns the visitors. And in auditorium, there it has been divided into three phases: the entrance block, the sitting space, and the green room area. This is the view of the View of this is a view of museum and the office block, which has been merging well with the landscape. The front view, in which you could see the pergolas have been present, which hides the toilet windows, and the proper use of flower beds, which merge well with the building. And the rustic view, and the cement concrete gives a rustic view. And balcony is present. This is a passage created between the auditorium and the museum block, and the projection of chhajjas and the slab level. This is a back view in which you could also see verandas present, big verandas, double height verandas, and balconies projected from the upper level. Now we look at the cafeteria space. Cafeteria in the site plan, cafeteria space is visible. Cafeteria space has been designed in a very traditional way. It only has pitched roof and does not have walls at the four ends. It is a semi-open space and great view of river, and has an office block which can be entrance. Courtyard block also present between office space and cafeteria, which integrates it. Also has separate toilet block and kitchen at the corner side. Second one image is the roof plan, in which columns are also present shown. It is completely derived from a Vada style of architecture. This is a section of cafeteria in which it is cutted from the center of the cafeteria block and the office block. And we could also see riverfront depths have been provided there. The view of cafeteria block. You could also see in the second picture the use of planters in the from the plinth itself. This picture shows the sloping roof height of the cafeteria block, and also has a view of open art gallery. Now we look at the art gallery. Uh, this is a site plan in which you could easily see art gallery and open art gallery. Art gallery, the plan has been derived from, also has office block, courtyard, and the art gallery space. And at the upper level, it has performing arts area in which music and dance arts will be performed. View of open art gallery area. This is the view of open art gallery area in which we could see the office block and the art gallery block. This is the view from riverbed towards the art gallery block, in which you could see big verandas and balconies projecting from the upper level, and the amphitheater type sitting created at the public realm space. And the trees create how shade has been created by the oak trees. Now we'll look at the auditorium space. Auditorium has been planned in three blocks: the reception area, ticket counter area, public toilets, cafeteria. There is the reception area, ticket counter, public toilets, cafeteria is present. There is a passageway of 3 meter wide for the entrance and exit of the auditorium. The second block is sitting space which accommodates around 800 people. Each one gets a proper view. Third block is the green room present at the back side of the auditorium. The first image you could see how the pergolas are acting, and there will be proper light play of light and shadow, and the verandas present at the entrance and also at the exit. This is the back view in which the green room are present, and people can easily uh, engage with public realm activities and have a proper view of river. Now the main part, the public realm space, which accommodates more area, can be seen here. After leaving 20-meter offset from the boundary of the site, public space has been designed without breaking the single curve or the language of the site. Public realm space accommodates larger area of the site, the sitting space for people, jogging track, pathways, shaded portion due to big oak trees have been created. It is 6 meter down from the building level, and in this image we could see the proper placement of ramps, flower beds and the stair and different arrangement of staircase and the amphitheater type seating. People can sit, have fun in public railing space. This is the image public railing space overlooking the auditorium space. In this image, we could see properly the levels created uh, of 6 meter level created of 6 meter from the building line to the public railing space to the river bed, and the placement of ramps which is in yellow color, and the shaded portion which is been created due to the oak trees, and the public activities which has been created there, the boating which will be easily which are present at the cultural center. This is this is a view of museum from the from the sitting space. So, thank you.